Hello, this is Lazarus at telecomTech, where telecom and networking technologies are simply explained. I created this channel to explain networking and telecom concepts in clear and understandable terms. I share the things I wish someone had explained to me when I was first learning about these technologies. On this channel, you'll find short, focused videos that explain specific concepts in a clear and concise way. Each video is self-contained and concentrates on a single topic. The subjects cover a wide range of areas including IP networking, routing protocols, switching, wireless and wired technologies, voice, video collaboration systems, cloud infrastructure, mobile networks, satellite communications, and more. These videos are designed to give you a clear understanding of individual topics. If you want to go deeper and build real skills, you can visit my website at telecomTech.io, where I offer structured courses that include detailed lessons, hands-on labs, downloadable PDF summaries, quizzes, and evaluations to help you truly master the material. With more than 2 decades of hands-on experience across a wide range of networking and telecom technologies, my goal is to break down complex ideas and explain them one concept at a time in a way that's practical and easy to understand. So if you're looking for a particular topic, search for it here on the channel. And if you don't see it, leave a suggestion in the comments below. If there's enough interest, it may very well become the focus of an upcoming video. This is Lazarus at telecomTech. I hope these videos help you understand networking concepts more clearly, and I'd like to thank you for watching.